Let's get it. Let's get it, money team. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Okay, guys, approaching to 2117, but I also have the daily level above 134.
Screen share is live, everybody. Let's see what we can get today. Discipline over dopamine. Stay patient, stay focused. Let's go. Good day to choose discipline over dopamine, baby. Let's get it. Come on. What's up, YouTube? Should we make this a normal thing? Should we start getting on live on YouTube? Maybe even some full screen share? What's up, money team?
Got close to that now.
Let's go. Come on. We've been on a banger win streak, so I figure we share some love with the YouTube fam. Appreciate y'all liking this live.
Very close to that.
If enough of y'all rock with this, we'll get the full screen share going on YouTube too. Yes, sir. Let's go. Not playing around anymore. We ain't playing around anymore. All right, team boy. As usual, we're going to wait the first 15 minutes. We are going to stay patient, trade smart, and trade safe. Focus on finding one good trade today. That's my mission, is find us one good trade. Maybe even two. For sure one. That's all we need. One good trade a day. That is all we need. Music's going. Coffee's in hand. Let these first 5-minute candles form, and let's see if we can find ourselves a banger. As a reminder, appreciate y'all being here. Make sure to use code JDUN on Apex or Tradeify, my two most recommended prop firms for you guys to trade with, and I want it to symbolize discipline over dopamine for all of y'all. I will always do my best to help you pass your challenges. Let's get it rocking, baby. So what key levels do we have to mark out here? Let's always have that done. Got our pre-market high, market low. And as soon as we get our 15-minute range marked, we'll do that as well. See if we can have any correlation between the two. What's up, Mr. Gene?
What up?
Working towards those next payouts today, huh?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. You had a good day yesterday.
Very good day.
Very good day. That's great.
18, I think.
How much you make yesterday?
18.
1,800?
Yeah.
Boy.
I was at like 5, but then I took a long during power hour and instantly up 20 points.
Just cooked. Bro just cooked. What's up, Grizzly?
Oh,
Just wondering where you went.
I'm here.
Thought you got lost in the woods again.
There's a possibility.
Thought bro got lost in the woods again. Chuck Norris. Not seeing a lot in Tesla right now. Not seeing a lot on the indices, so they're staying patient, waiting. Running on pre-workout. I can't do that, bro. I can't trade on the pre-workout. I can't do it. Pre-workout already gets me jittery before the gym. Unless y'all, I come in one day to the live, and I just end up taking like 12 trades, like Jay done. You get into the pre-workout, or another form of pre-workout, wink wink. Me, not me, no way, no, 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 no way. Hey, YouTube, how about this? If y'all get this live on YouTube, to 500 likes today, if we get 500 people that like this, I'll give away 5 Apex accounts on YouTube. Just for YouTube today, I'll give away 5 Apex accounts of your choosing, your size. It's the first YouTube live I've done in a long time. If you're on the TikTok, you can go to J-Dun Trades on YouTube. Tap in with the YouTube fam. We're going to be doing it more. Y'all get this to 500 likes, I'll give 5 Apex accounts away. I got 5 codes here. As a reminder, you can use code JDUN, J-D-U-N, for the best possible discount. 80% off Apex, 30% off Tradeify. Those are my 2 preferred firms. Yes, sir. Appreciate y'all being here. Hopefully I can help y'all find a winner.
What's everyone watching this morning? Favorite setup?
Me? Honestly, I don't see a lot for my hourly, for my 4-hour. And now we're in between pre-market low and high. We're in between our opening 5-minute candle high and low. Honestly, I don't really see anything that I like at this moment. What about you, bro? Anything for you? Or Greg?
I'm looking 117 and 22021.
So you're a ways away from both yours too, Greg, huh?
Yeah. So I'm expecting the touch of one of these 3 levels and with the reaction. Maybe we will go to 117, then 134. Perhaps some liquidity, and maybe we can bounce on 22021. That's what I'm looking. Right now, I'm standing by. We are between the levels.
Mihoy Minyoy SpongeBob indicator. Yoy Minyoy. Like that. Sorry. That episode of SpongeBob. I'm drinking the ultimate guru water today. We're sipping on that Mountain Valley spring water this morning. Full guru mode activated. You guys are almost 1/5 the way there on YouTube. We'll get this to 500 likes. I'm giving away 5 Apex accounts. Appreciate y'all being here, YouTube. Make sure y'all are subscribed, tapping in. We do have live on Discord, but it's also, you get full screen share there, and there's no delay. So, I like to give these free lives as a little cookie to help y'all for free. I know a lot of you guys don't like Discords, or, you know, that's not your style. That's cool. There's a small delay here, but if you want to support the team, there's a lot of value. Tap in with the squad. We're going to start rocking with the YouTube every day, too. If you guys are on the TikTok, you can go to J Dunn Trades. If you're on the YouTube, well, you've hit the grand finale. So this is going to be our top. Looks like this is going to be the top of range. We'll see. I got it marked out. We can always move it up if we need to.
Guys going down maybe to 0 to 1.
Grizzly, what's your favorite setup? You asked us. What's yours, bro? Bro asked us for our favorite setup. He didn't tell us his, though. What's your favorite setup, my guy?
I'm here, Brad.
What you watching for today?
Watching the possible bounce around pre-market low. We shall see.
Bro gatekeeping his setups. Bro don't want to share the love.
Who, me?
Yeah. No, the other Grizzly.
There's only one Grizzly.
One of one.
Okay, guys, approaching to 0 to 1. See what happened here. Also, QQQ is touching a daily level 530.84. We want to bounce one. We have to be careful with this level, see what happened here. Oh, come on, go down. Don't bounce yet. Oh, man. Come on,
Well,
go down.
15-minute range is set. Fifteen-minute range is locked in. See what it gives us. I'll be right back, guys. I'm using the restroom quick. Super quick.
Una pausa ya. Yeah, dicen que trade values in the QQQ levels. They just notified 0.84. That's the reason they bounce so early.
All right, we're back, baby. Guess who's back again. Did I miss anything?
I don't think so.
Didn't miss nothing. What's that? Okay. Still no trades for me, guys. Market's been open 18 minutes. Make sure if you guys haven't rolled your contracts, NQU5, oh, like Robert said, is the September expiration. Yes, TradingView has. Yep. TradingView did. TradingView did roll it. You got anything on watch, Mr. Gene? No? Top Step doesn't have discount codes, but you can use code JDUN, code JDUN, or code Team Bull for Apex or Tradeify. Those are my two preferred prop firms. Apex has 80% off right now. If you want to choose discipline over dopamine, get yourself the best possible discount. I will always do my best to help you guys pass your challenges. Make sure you use code JDUN, JDUN. Scratch my back, I scratch yours. You feel me?
We have business inventories at 10 a.m.
That JDUN chop is crazy. What do y'all think, YouTube? Should we go full screen tomorrow? Do you guys like the mobile, or do we go full screen, full bananas? I bought about 20 of those J Dunn discount codes on Apex. Thank you, Pat. Appreciate the support. Completed the first eval. Now focus up so you don't have to go back to the evals. Focus up so you don't have to go back to the evals. Whoops, we're not 1 for 1 on the day. Gotta delete that. Let's see. Still no trades for anyone on voice, huh? So must have NVIDIA was cooked today. Let's see. We got data in 4 minutes as well, everyone. We got data in 4 minutes. We got business inventories and home builder confidence index. We got FOMC tomorrow too. Woo! Hot doggy. Hot doggy, we got FOMC. As a reminder, YouTube, you guys are over a fifth of the way there. If y'all get this to 500 likes, I will give away 5 Apex accounts. I might even give away some cash too. I'm known for doing that inside Team Bull. Especially if I make some money, I'm always down to give back a little of the day trading profits when I trade my real money. At this point, I'd pretty much do that every day.
I'm waiting for this flavor cards. Waiting for this flavor.
Yep.
117, 124. And we also have news. So standing by. No rush.
That was not intentional. Reminder, guys, stay patient today. Stay patient today. There's no need to force anything. No need to force anything, my friends. Hourly is not showing me much. 4 hours not showing a whole lot. I mean, just look at where we're at on the hourly. It's just consolidation. We do have a potential to reach that supply zone up here around this 21,150. 21,120 up to 21,150. We'll see if we can see some supply up in here. Some resistance starts to kick in. So that horse had no clue. It's crazy. I need to unplug my camera real quick, Team Bull. Hold on.
So guys, touching 117 also.
Well, let's see what they give us here.
Touching 117.
I hear the puppies. That means the Riker must be awake. Usually means the setup's about to come in. Setup inbound. Interesting, we rejected that 15-minute high, but didn't quite touch pre-market high. Still just staying patient, everyone. Still just staying patient. Ooh. Not a ton of volume in the last 15-minute candle either. Let's see. $6,080. Let's go to 5 minutes. Not seeing much in individual names either. Just waiting to see what they give us. Aggressive reversal candle at that 15-minute high. So if we saw some confirmation in this area, I'd be open to looking for a potential short. It's just higher because we're in that first. Appreciate all y'all being here. Yep, I'm on TikTok and YouTube, and of course inside Team Bowl. What do you say, Grizzly?
I said bless you.
Thank you, sir. I like it, Savage. Violence only to the downside. I'd love to see some violence to the downside. As a reminder, YouTube, 500 likes on this live, we give away 5 Apex accounts. Any size of your choice, 100% free. And per usual, you can use code JDUN for 80% off Apex. 30% off Tradeify. I'll always do my best to help you guys pass your accounts, give you guys the best education. Discipline over dopamine, baby. You know what it is. Come on now. Come on now. Jamel, appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you using code JDUN. And no reject up here for me. This 5-minute candle looked halfway decent right here on screen share. Can't short this trend up right now. Hey, TikTok chat, cut it out. You're here to make money. If you guys want to argue, go to Facebook. I'm here to make money. You're here to make money. Most people are here to make money. We treat the janitor the same way we treat the CEO up in here. I don't care how much money you made. This isn't a demeasuring contest. You feel me? All right, let's see.
Okay, guys, touching ones. 117. Standing by. And 7.5 is a daily variable 134.
Appreciate you, Ryan. This made you a moderator, baby. Appreciate you, bro. So we have, interesting, we have ES. ES broke above our orb. High. You can see here. So breaking above our pre-market high as well. Rejecting pre-market high, but above 15-minute high. You got anything on watch, Crazy Clock?
Starting to look like a long entry.
Yeah, I'm looking for that too. My hourly is not really telling me a whole lot. You have this hourly fair value gap, potentially watch on ES. We already broke into it once on NQ. So this is one of those times where it looks okay for an early entry. I'm just a little hesitant because that puts on an extra 20 points of risk on top of the risk we'd already have to add in if we get down to our buy level.
Standing by position at 1134. I mean, I honestly don't think it's a big deal that Apex is requesting explanations on your trades. You have an opportunity to 10x, 20x, 30x your bread.
Any proprietary firm that's going to pay you for your trading performance could ask you. It's not that deep. I still stand fully by Apex being the most scalable firm. They paid out the most money. All right, let's see here. Let's see what we get here.
Oh man, they rejected that level.
I just seen a Trump Truth Social tweet come in too. It said something about sharing text from Huckabee in Israel.
Let's see, we'll go at retest for 4 months.
No trades for me yet, guys. Technically speaking, the orb is valid here.
Good conversation protecting the stocks. Right now.
Strictly on the system, longs are still technically valid here. I just haven't taken anything yet, guys. If I take anything, I'll let you know. Not feeling longs quite yet, guys. I might miss, if we bounce here, I'd miss the setup, but need a little more confirmation for me. Technically speaking, if you were taking longs, you have to keep stops, tight stops below 100, low risk stops, high risk stops. You can put 20 points from entry. I am not in those, just to make that very clear. If I miss it, that's completely okay with me because I'm not 100% sold and set up quite yet.
So we're rid of 117. We can win our race.
Someone said if I traded crazy when I first started. Oh my gosh, totally. Patience and discipline has accumulated over the years. technically, orb speaking, long's still valid. I just am not so sold on this yet. I may end up regretting that later. But it's not something that I'd have big FOMO on.
Thinking longs and we just keep our stock below 2100 if we try them. What do you think, Jay?
I don't think it's a bad idea.
Are you sold on it?
I don't think it's a bad idea. I just kind of wanted to see a little more strength in this next 5-minute candle. And we still, even if you took longs here at 109, you still have, even with a 20-point stop, you have a little buffer down there.
Yeah.
Just want to see a little more.
Okay, sure.
What are you feeling?
Greg likes the shorts.
Because we are on this level 117, we are below. We reject 134 and now we are below 117.
I like when all three of us are on the same page.
I'm testing in 2 shoulders.
Yeah,
In
how
2
do you
shoulders.
go? I'm not trading.
106 my entry. Boom.
I'm not in anything either.
106 my entry. Keep
Close
going.
below that 15-minute low. TikTok, I appreciate y'all being here, hitting that follow button. As a reminder, we are live on YouTube as well. YouTube, appreciate y'all being here. Make sure both our communities, so make sure you tap in, hit that follow button, hit that subscribe, and use code JDUN when you're trading on Apex or Tradify. I will always do my best to help you guys stay disciplined, pass your challenges, and stay focused. Appreciate you, Andrew. Welcome to the team. No trades for me yet, guys. No trades for me. As you guys can see on the screen share, we closed below this 15-minute low. So now once we get some sort of build back up, no interest in longs for me until we see that strength. Give Greg his move down. Come on.
The green, the small green. Come on.
Welcome to the program, Andrew. Welcome, fam.
If you're running to short, feel free to change whatever you want, guys. I haven't changed yet, just waiting a little.
Ooh. As a reminder, YouTube, we're gonna be doing this every single day. I'm gonna hop on the streams with y'all at least a few days a week. At least a few days a week. I've been on TikTok every day. Now, part of the reason why I didn't test out orb long is I didn't like how that last 5-minute candle looked. I could have missed it. Totally could have missed it, but just wasn't in my playbook. And then, as far as the reverse orb goes, this candle didn't really have, didn't really have a lot of aggressive volume. It's not really in a good spot either way from me to trade. I also don't like that we're back and forth yet between pre-market highs, you can see here on screen share, and then our orb high. You know, we have a lot of indecision in this area. I want to see some clear trend before I take my trade. If we can get that, be good.
I'm not breaking. Come on.
You know, war
Just
isn't
one strong rectangle.
cool, but I wouldn't mind some news for your puts, Greg. Give us some tariff headlines. Have Trump go tweet.
War.
What? What?
Bro's wishing for war for Greg's.
No, war ain't cool, but a headline real quick to make a dump wouldn't be so bad. It's always crazy when you see people on social media, they're like, all right, guys, come on, war. And meanwhile, they have $100 worth of puts on the line. It's like, bro, what?
War's good for some companies. Not always fair.
You know, traditionally, war ends up being bullish. Unfortunately. Initially, the shock sends the market down, but we've recovered every single time.
My stop loss is 137. 22137.
I don't have a clear read in this market either way. The point is here is that whether you have 1,000 or 5,000 or 10,000 on the line, you never see me cheering on war for
I'm gonna try some ES loans, everyone.
for a position.
The stop's gonna be below 6072. ES loans. 6072
Okay.
is the stop. If we hit it, that'll be my only trade today.
ES is showing some relative strength. We're trading above our 15-minute high too.
Okay. 6076 is what I'm in. We hit my stop. We can keep the stop at let me see, 6072 or yeah, to close below or touch up, whatever you prefer.
Discord is full screen share.
It's a short week. We have a ton of stuff going on.
As a reminder, if you guys want access to the free Discord, you can send
One thing about the rates tomorrow.
you can send me a DM on Instagram at JDunTrades. JDUN Trades. You can send me a DM there and mention that you're from YouTube or TikTok, that you'd like access to the free Discord.
Yes.
JDUN Trades. JDun Trades. Just like the Apex and Tradeify code JDun. Just add trades on there. JDun Trades.
I'll say unchanged. Does anyone ever actually place the bet on Robinhood or whatever you want to call it for that stuff? Like the rates going uncut? Yeah, you can do it on Robinhood.
Yeah, they offer betting now.
Don't you do it, ES?
I would say look at this chart as far as NQ goes. I like shorts in here with stops above this candle. I just hate that we're holding this 100. Holding a whole psych number Q level 22,100. So that significantly takes my edge down.
072 would be my stop there, man. Hard stop. You get it. And we got it.
Oh, come on.
Well, sums up this market this year.
112.92. Next pop up. I'm looking for shorts, guys. If we break above 113, it won't be valid.
I'm above my first print here.
Nice job, Greg.
Thank you.
Come on,
I haven't trimmed yet.
don't send it down yet.
Okay, trim some that.
Nice job, Greg.
Stop loss slightly in profit. Thank you. Let's see if we can get 0 to 1, guys. 0 to 1.
I can't chase 10 here, guys. Gosh dang it.
Let's
Let me
see if
see
we can
that.
get mega trade, guys. Mega trade. We're heading for the 4 hour level below. Mega trade is possible here. Stop loss slightly in profit.
I'm gonna try a small piece of shorts up here, guys. Just add piece there, add it, a second piece around 100 with stops at 113. I did try those, guys. I tried the shorts up there. Hard stops at 113. Come on. Dump it down for us. That's almost 15 points so far. Come on. We want more, though. We need at least 20 points to make it worth it. So I can't trim it until at least 20 points. You're in the green 10 points here. Give or take your entry. But I need more. So I'm either going to get stopped out or I'm going to get my first trim above 20 points. I'm willing to add 2. I got a starter piece on that pop-up, but I'd like to see more.
You have a mega trade. Mega trade.
This is break-even area up here, but I'm still gonna hold to my planned stop loss. Unless we see something else where I have to cut it a little earlier. Biggest risk on this is 20 points. If we get a close in this candle that looks like this and we have higher volume, that's going to show less likelihood that we continue on down. If I have that hard stop in, I have not added anything.
Come on.
We'll see.
Come on. Break this structure. Come on.
Don't love that candle. Still gonna hold. Still gonna follow my original plan. So the risk is so minimal. We got up to close to 20 points. We're at about 17 points, but just needed that 20 plus points to equal out the R multiple. So if we can get a flush below this previous low, that should give it to us. That should be enough to do it and get that trim. And manage how you see fit, it's up over 10 points right now. It's just not enough in terms of R multiple for me to trim.
Hey guys, be careful the position I take care. Stop loss must be at least break even. Don't let it go red, huh?
I'm gonna move my stops down too. I'm gonna move my stops down to still would be slightly red, but I'm gonna put them at 105 now. We technically have 10 points of risk on a trade, 10 to 12 points. I don't like how we just made a higher low on this candle. I really want to see this break down, otherwise not valid. Still in the green, 4 to 5 points, but I don't like how we're waking up. I want to see an aggressive move down on this candle. I want to see big body red on this candle. I'm still in. I did trail my stops closer though, so it won't be as red if it loses. With that, down in this 70 area, you can feel free to trim here since we moved our stops down. Your risk reward, you have a little more room to trim.
Come on. Don't think about it. Just break it. Just break it. Yeah, we need to break this big weapon.
I'm taking a few micros off at 80, guys. A few contracts off at 80. Feel free to trim down here in the 70s. There we go. Come on. Get to low 70s. Get to low 70s. Come on. All right, move your stops to break even. Nice job, Greg. You had a better entry than I did, but I still caught something too. Stops at break even now, guys. I'd like to see you move down further, but you're fighting the trend up from here, so I'd like to see us continue to move down. Keep your stops around 95. Come on. Or worst case, if you want them closer to true break even on the trade, you can keep them at 100. Small green. I'm going to stop out personally if we break above 95. Can always look for re-entry if we get weak. Never seen. What are you talking about? I literally win for you guys nearly every single day. Live in front of like 10,000 plus people.
Have to go.
And help you manage risk. Help you be disciplined.
Guys, my mega trade level is 22006. See if we can get.
We made a lower low on this last candle. That's good. Here's the deal. I'm going to put my stops at 101. So on the last few cons, it'll be a small green day if I get stopped. Got those trims off below 80. Stops are now at 101.75. Oh, 102. It's not bad. Nearly 20 point, or not 20, but 18 point trim for a 6-7 point loss in the rest. We'll take it. Hopefully we just keep dumping down. That's the ideal goal, is we just see that move down. Hopefully into these, let's see. It's like midline level. That's what I'd like to see.
Okay guys, I have to go. This is the deal. Stop losses in profits. I want to be trimming. My mega trade level is at 0.06. That's where the order will be closed. But we also have for our level 0.21, so manage the trade. If you are still on shorts, and still, and I have to go, so feel free to claim anytime, guys. Take care, Jaden.
See you, Greg. Have a good one, bro. I will hold up. Back us to a break even. My hard stops are at 102.
Bye-bye, Timber. See you tomorrow, guys.
We got at the peak 20 points, which isn't huge, but still. Did it just totally wicked my stop there. All right, guys, I'm out of this trade. I just seen that. I totally wicked my remainder. Small green on that, we'll take it. Not huge, but take our small green for the day. Can always look for re-entry if we show signs of weakness. I don't like to take a trim or take half off or whatever it may be and then go from green to red. That's not how I really like to trade. So I'll still take it though. Near 20 point trim and then stops just above break even. If that ends up being the JSI that wicks up, then we nuke down, I'm gonna be so salty. Well, we'll take it, YouTube. We'll take it, TikTok. It was small, but we got a win for the day. Got to a 1R and then stopped the rest just below, break even. The main point is, you guys see why I took that? We had the weakness on the 5 minute. You can see that here. See that very clearly here. So I want to see us ride down. I don't like to trim down here and then end up giving back my gains if we pump up. So appreciate y'all being here. Make sure you guys, if you're on YouTube, you've subscribed. You guys are 300 likes away from 5 giveaways. If you're on TikTok, go on over to YouTube. Jdun Trades, JDUN Trades on YouTube. And get those likes up. You guys get to 500 likes, I'll give away 5 Apex accounts. That's where the mainstream is going to be. Damn, hey, you know that we're popping off when the haters come back again. You know that we're popping off, which is good. They're driving our live. They get to come see me win every day. Most days. Not every day. That's what gurus say. Most days. Yep, YouTube JDun Trades, JDUN Trades. Make sure you guys are using code JDUN. If you guys want to learn, make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all hit that follow button. Do this every single day, win, lose, or draw. Say what you want to say. Most people aren't on here trading live in front of thousands of people, calling out bangers, teaching you the right way to trade. I got the best on my YouTube. The best education. All these little dudes coming and saying, well, that trade was weak, this and that. Bro, you ain't ever traded live in your life because you suck. Bro got me funded yesterday. That's what I do. I help y'all win. And in return, all I ask is you use code JDUN. I'll help you milk the prop firms. We'll do it together. Get yourself the best possible discount. Code JDUN, JDUN. Don't sleep on the YouTube. I'm also live on YouTube now, too. I got y'all. No pullback entry for me. I'm chilling. I'm vibing. Touched 110 again. We're hovering. We're thinking about it. Alan, I got you, bro. There we go, baby. 1 for 1 on the day. And guess what that means? You know what that means? It means 7-day win streak. It means 7-day win streak. I like it. That's the way. I like it. I swear if they freaking. That's the way. Well, for being honest, I'm looking at another shorts entry. It's all I see right now. Trying one more shorts piece. If we break above 111, no, not valid. I like 93 all the way up to 100 area, so it's minimal risk. Tried one more shorts piece, guys, on this pop up. Hard stops at 111, so. This area, you only have 15 points of risk. If I can risk 15, if we get the flush of the low, to potentially get 20 plus, that's a dub. I'm fine to go back to break even today. If it don't work out. Using the restroom to be right back. My hard stops are set there, so my risk is defined and managed. Oh, Mr. Jean. All right, I'm back. Come on, flush it down. $10 points here. Don't get mad at me if it goes against you. You're scalping, click for trims in the low 80s. There we go. Come on. I'm going to take one off at 80. Take one contract off down here. I'd like to see flush below 75 for the real move. You can also move stops now down, so you can trail them down to 100. So you only have about 5 points of risk, give or take, on the trade. Trail your stops down to 100. And hopefully we get the real flush down below 75 now on the rest. Up near 20 points right here, guys. Up near 20 points again. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. All right, one more trim, guys. One more trim. Move your stops to break even. That's what I'm talking about. Come on. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go, everybody. Let's go. Stops at break even. Stops at break even, everybody. Stops at break even. Let the rest ride. Let the rest ride, baby. Team Bull, any of y'all take that with me? Any of y'all riding this? That is 2 for 2 on the day. That's 2 for 2 on the day. Come on. Let's go. Beautiful move down. I mean, not crazy, but still we got from 95 area entry down to 70, over 25 points with 15 points of risk. That's 1.5 plus R. It's 1.5 plus R. If you guys took either of those trades with myself, let me know in the chat what you're up. What are we sitting at today, fellas? What are we sitting at today, fellas? How are we sitting? Let me get a roll call. Give me some numbers. How are we sitting? We got Mr. Davis at 5,000. Mr. Davis at 5,000, 830, 113. 3K times 4 accounts. 200, 275, $1,300 on the funded. Let's go. 22, 25.50, 400. Come on home, baby. That's what I'm talking about. I'd like to see more. Stops at break even. Let it keep moving. $700 at the Dodgers volleyball game. Let's go. 381 per account. It's all 300. Let's go. And we want more. Where is that hater from before in the TikTok? Where are you at? Because again, I believe if I'm not mistaken, that's 2 for 2, my boy. That's 2 for 2. Again, I do this for y'all every single day. All I ask is you use code JDUN, JDUN, on Apex Trader Funding and Tradeify. Get the best possible discount for yourself. I will always do my best to help you manage your risk and trade discipline. Unlike most of these other gurus who get you to use their codes and then blow your account like idiots. Bang, gang, bang, bang. That was cool, guys. That was dope. Another dub, another dub. Another day, another dub. Another dub, another day. Don't. Good.
This market has kicked my butt today.
You see that, Grizzly?
What's up?
I didn't know if you seen the shorts I just ripped.
I ate their lungs, but at the same time you ate their shorts. That's how I knew it was time to walk away.
Happens, man.
Still like one. Looking at price action, it's like it wants the upside to it.
It's probably gonna
chop back and forth and chop us out.
It's probably gonna wait, and then boom, go. TikTok, you guys are halfway there to our like goal. If you guys are YouTube, if you guys get this YouTube live to 500 likes, we'll give away 5 Apex accounts. 5 Apex Trader Funding accounts of your choice. If you're on TikTok, head on over to YouTube. Type in JDUN Trades. Go help our fam at YouTube out.
I think you are doing better than most traders I've seen in this market.
Thanks, man. I've been really trying to be disciplined. I've been getting my patience dialed in and really just taking the profits when I see them, you know? As long as they fit in our multiple perspective. That means a lot, bro. Thank you. Just want to help Team Bull keep learning and keep winning. Just like you do. It's just not as fun, you know? It takes...
It's not... Chop. You just have to have the perfect entry to know it's chopped up.
Yep. You really do.
Then when you do stop, it tends to turn around and just pump the way you want it to go to begin with.
We're kind of flagging on the 5-minute. If we can get that aggressive pop up. How's the automated trading strategy, Grizz? Any trades today?
I don't think it's had any today. But right now would be a good time to take one if we can get some volume in. Am I coming to Chicago? Probably never. To be real with you. Come to Tennessee, though. I'm not scared. I just know what happens. There's always somebody who wants to try to do wearing the jeans and boots with the accent. And I don't want to fight anymore.
Always something. This looks like it wants to go upside now, Grizzly.
Yeah.
With that aggressive
I
bot.
haven't liked the downside at all morning.
We'll see if we get some continuation. Let's see if they end up giving us this pop up. I'm not answering questions on YouTube chat right now, no, because my phone holder is holding it. I'm going to go full screen, though, so make sure if you're on TikTok, you guys are subscribed to the YouTube. That's where the full screen YouTube Live is going to be soon.
Tell you what, if Michael Jordan comes out of retirement and plays for Chicago again, I'll come there. That one time,
That's hilarious, bro. As a reminder, guys, the market is closed this Thursday in observance of Juneteenth.
I shouldn't say never. Brian, I may come one day. I've drove through there. Never stopped in.
Someone asked me who my GOAT in basketball was. MJ or LeBron. It's neither. It's the man whose jersey I have signed on the wall. It's Kobe Bryant, baby.
You know who I liked a lot?
Who?
Shaq. I love watching him play when he played.
Shaq Attack?
Yeah.
Grizzly, do we give these longs one more stab?
I'm not going to say I do. I've already had 2 confirmed losing trades.
Well, I'll call it for you if we like it. You just ride along with me, all right? I'll drive the car. You just hop in the passenger seat, take the aux cord. Come on, YouTube. You're halfway there to our 500 like goal. If y'all can get 500 likes on the YouTube, I'll give away 5 accounts.
My entry was like at 90.
5 Apex accounts. If you're on TikTok, head on over to the YouTube, J-Done Trades. Go help our family out there. Who do I got in the finals, man? I hope Indiana. I love seeing an underdog win. I'm still salty OKC took out my Nuggets. So I am biased a little, to say the least. I'm a salty Nuggets fan. Hey, you stop it, Big Zo. Cut that out. Well, bro, where's Halliburton been? Bro's clutch in the last 10 seconds. Where the hell has he been during the game? Bro had 0 points going into the third quarter. His first points were free throws. Like, bro, what are you doing? He had 4 points last night, bro. That is unacceptable in the NBA Finals. Unacceptable, bro. I'm deaf still salty, bro. That's just what it is. Bro took the choking meme too seriously. Now he's choking himself.
Do you take loans again, Jaden?
No. If I take it, I'll say it live. If we get a strong close on this candle, though, I will likely try some. I'd give back some of my profit, but I got a nice cushion now that we've had 2 winning trades. That's funny. Let's see. I would have rather seen more volume on this push up. But technically speaking, here's the deal. If we look for longs, we'll look for a pullback into this candle with stops must be under 96. Man, honestly, I hope the Pacers win the next game too, because I don't like when people win the finals at the away court. I want them to be at their home court. Bro, I don't know what it is. I'm a great trader, dude, but I suck at sports betting, bro. I don't put enough research in it. I just be nuking plays because I like them. Or I'll go nuke an 8-leg parlay. I'm like, oh, let's turn 20 into 20,000. Let's go. Did we have Cassie back? There's that move up. That's what we were talking about, Grizzly. We reclaimed that. I just want to see a little more move down into that zone. Stops below that 96 here. If you see on screen share, that was the confirmation. I'm already 2 winning trades today, so I didn't see a huge need to get in. But like we were saying, Grizzly, worked out. I didn't take anything there. I'm saying what we were talking about. The idea worked out. What Grizzly and I both liked. It broke that structure, you can see. If we would have had higher volume on this candle, I would have immediately just taken it. Wouldn't have even thought twice. Would have put the extra risk on. Nice job, Azoth. As a reminder, YouTube and TikTok, make sure you guys are using code JDUN, JDUN, on your prop firm challenges, whether it's Apex Trader Funding, that's my favorite right now, or on Tradeify with Straight to Funded. Every time you use code JDUN, you'll get the best possible discount, and it means the world to me. I will always do my best to help you guys have a disciplined life, have disciplined trading, and make progress day to day. You can go to apextraderfunding.com and use code JDUN.
I wasn't wrong about the market today. It just got me up or made the move twice.
Hey, YouTube, Have you guys enjoyed the live stream so far today? I'm looking at the comments now. Have y'all enjoyed the live stream, YouTube? Let's go. Should we get on full screen next time? Maybe we'll start next week with full screen. We'll go half screen tomorrow. Give me the weekend to set it up. Caught 2 winners. As a reminder, I want you guys choosing discipline over dopamine. We're about to get high a day, huh? We're about to get high a day.
There you go.
Yep, here it comes. I bet. Profit on the day, that's what's up. Let's go see price. Retesting pre-market high here. You can see on the screen share. I'm likely done for the day, so no need to force anything. No need to force anything, Team Bull. As a reminder, TikTok, make sure y'all tap into the YouTube, J Dunn Trades. It's going to be the ultimate live stream every single day. There's also a little less lag on there. Oh my gosh, what a reversal. What a reversal. Maybe we just went and took some liquidity up there. Now we moved down. I don't know. Honestly, I don't have a good read in this. That's a pretty aggressive sell from above pre-market high. We failed it again.
All right, everyone. I'm done with it for the day. Guess I should have called the longs down there, but I didn't want to give another losing trade to everyone.
See you, Grizzly.
This choppy market. All right, see you.
Pleasure trading with you as always. I read them YSO. We got FOMC tomorrow too, everybody. We got FOMC tomorrow. Wouldn't consider today choppy. Today we had a pretty solid trading day. Yeah, appreciate you, Sadiq. Discount code JDUN will always get you the best possible discount with Apex and Tradeify. Tradeify is best if you want straight to funded accounts. Apex is best for scalability. It means the world to me, and as always, I will do my best to help you guys pass your challenges, make progress. There's 80% off on Apex right now. 80% off ends, I believe, in a few days. 80% off today, and then 80% off for life for your evals. Don't wait for 90%. It's an extra 10%. And in reality, you're going to be wasting more opportunity costs than you'll save with an extra 10%. Just get after it. Start today. When you use code JDUN, you know you're supporting someone who wants you to choose discipline over dopamine and wants you to be successful. I want to help you beat these firms. How exactly do you help us best to fund it? Well, I try to give you winning trades every day. I try to give you the best education I can every day. Jadon is the one who deserves his code to be used. Thank you, bro. Appreciate you, man, more than you know. I'll always do my best to help y'all pass. How do you know when you pass the eval? Will you hit your profit target? That's how you know. Gene, how was your day, bro?
One account, I had my dad lost another account, I made 800.
Nice.
It's because my trade copier fucked up, dude.
Which one?
My Apex trade copier, I don't know why, but my Windows computer keeps freezing.
You can't have that happen.
Yeah, you're telling me. So it didn't close the accounts I was copying through the one when I built my position. And it flipped against me on Windows.
Damn.
But the other one is good. I need 3 more days of 200, and then I can request next Tuesday because it would have been Thursday, but Friday I had a red day, and then Thursday's closed. So, it's okay though. It's okay. Market's been tricky.
Yep. Require lots of patience.
You've been killing it though.
Yep. Trying, man. Doing my best. Yep. As a reminder, I'm hosting my free class tonight, everyone. My free mastermind class is tonight. So if you guys are not registered for that, if you'd like access to tonight's free class or the recording, DM me on Instagram at JDunTrades and mention that you're from YouTube or TikTok. You'd like access to tonight's class. I will also have the link in my story. Again, that's JDUN Trades. If you want access to tonight's class on psychology and trading the orb, it's going to be, if you've been to one of my webinars before, you know, you're getting value out of that. Class is at 8 p.m. Eastern time. So if you'd like access to the class, DM me on Instagram at JDUN Trades, JDUN Trades on IG. Mention that you're from the live stream and that you'd like access to tonight's class. Class tonight is at 8 o'clock Eastern time. Yep, DM me on Instagram, Somos. All of you, if you want access to tonight's class, hosting a free masterclass on trading the orb and mastering your trading psychology. If you've been to my classes before, you know they're not to be played with. DM me on Instagram at JDunTrades. Mention that you're from the live stream, you'd like access to tonight's class. Yep, 212K. 211K. Almost 212K. $211K. We got FOMC tomorrow too. We also have FOMC tomorrow, so there's a chance that the rest of the day stays choppy. Not saying it's for sure. We could end up getting the aggressive move down. I'd prefer an aggressive move down over an aggressive move up. Let's see here. You can see we have this break of structure potentially from low of day to here. You're not explaining anything, just pushing people to your class so you can upsell. Bro, all due respect, are you dumb? What did we do earlier? Did we not catch 2 winning trades where the whole trade was explained in depth before it happened until afterwards? And you had 10, 20 seconds to get in, and a lot of people made good money with that. Did that not happen? So yes, if I'm giving you guys lots of value, what's wrong with asking for you to use code JDUN or come into class tonight? If you decide you want to buy something after, you can. Definitely not necessary. These haters just they can't stand us winning, guys. They can't stand it. Whenever we see a trade, it's all live. Wrong. J Diesel is the best, and I've never bought anything. Appreciate you, bro. I live in Colorado, but I'm from Nebraska. I'm a corn boy. I'm corn fed. That's why I'm 6'7".
I'm from Nebraska too.
Yeah. I'm from Nebraska. So we're corn fed. I just had a different kind of corn in the gene. I'm not 6'7". Someone said I'm not 6'7" on the live stream. You don't think so? I think you'd be mistaken if you saw me standing up, bro. I tend to tower over the general public. Why aren't you in the NBA? I should be, man. Let's see if I have any pictures of myself. Find some pictures. Dooley said, "Who said you ain't 6'7"? When I first met you, I felt like a little kid again, and I'm 6 foot." Brandy said, "JDUN, help me pass my evals. I'm working on funded and haven't bought anything yet." He is awesome. Thank you, Brandy.
Look, I found a picture of you.
You're stupid, bro. Bro, pull up a picture of Larry Bird. That's crazy.
Close enough.
You need to find a short entry. Forget the NBA. That's crazy. Coming to the College World Series? No, I used to go. I'm from Nebraska, so it's up in Omaha every year. But no, I'm not coming back for the College World Series. Thought about maybe coming back for the 4th of July, but... Yo, crazy, I saw you in the bare knuckle fights last October. I was hella hyped. Yeah, I was there with my boy Darian, bro. Appreciate you, Bryant. Appreciate you being here. I do use code JDUN on Apex evals. Best discount. Thank you, Brandy. Means the world. I will always do my best to help you pass those evals and help you trade smarter. If you use code JDUN on Apex or Tradeify, you will get the best possible discount. This one, it's surprising. This is a really nice camera. Maybe I'll get a new one. I'll go get a new one today or something. Okay, we're coming to retest this area of interest here. This trend line for break of structure. I likely will not take anything else today just because we've already had 2 winning trades. Oh, damn, Greg took shorts again. Just seen that. Said, bring your Lambo by the hub in Denver. Let's twin turbo it. Do you work for a custom shop, bro? What's your shop called? I was supposed to get a Revuelto soon. It's on the boat over. I'm not paying that extra tariff. I'm not paying an extra 10% on it. The car's already going to cost me $725 grand. Honestly, I mean, I like Revueltos. They're dope, but I don't know. So I did a poll on Instagram. I wonder what the YouTube and TikTok poll would say. Do you guys think we caught the Revuelto with the tariff on it, or do we look for an SVJ or an SV or a Porsche GT3 RS?
Can I raise my hand?
Well, Gene, you like the GT3 RS, don't you?
Yes, I do.
Gene everyone loves the GT3 RSs.
Let me tell you, I used to hate Porsches. These lines are open.
I like SVJ. But the problem is, guys, I need a drop top, man. I want the SVJ Roadster. If y'all get bored today, look up how expensive SVJ Roadsters are. You ain't finding one under 10K miles for less than like 900 G's. You just ain't finding one. It's not happening. Interesting. Let's see. We got this 15-minute. The 15-minute looks like we want to head down. We also closed the structure below. I guess I say all that when I haven't even tried a GT3. Maybe I won't fit. People told me I wouldn't fit in a Huracan, and here I am. If it wasn't pre-FOMC day, and if I wasn't already 2 winners in, I would potentially look for a shorts entry in here with stops above 100 or above this candle high at 103. That's what I would look for if I was still trading. If we can reject up here, make this and get some aggressive selling, you can see it move down to this midline area and further. And I'm likely done for the day. Just for you, Dooley. We will. Just for you, bro. YouTube, thank you guys for all being here today. This is our first long YouTube live I've ever done. TikTok, again, YouTube is going to take over as the throne for the live. So make sure you guys all go subscribe to the YouTube. JDUN Trades. I have a ton of free education on there, and that's where the main live streams will be. I'll put it on the screen as well. There we go. I put it on the screen. I put it on the screen. I am screen sharing on YouTube Live. We're going to do full screen too. Just wanted to test out, see if we had some. Nope, there's enough room for both of us, Julian. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we'll go live on YouTube too. The best place to be is still in the Discord inside Team Bull. That's the ultimate place. There's no lag, either or. There's no lag in the Zoom. You get access to the community. That's the best place to be. Mr. Gene, what you doing, dog? As a reminder, TikTok, head on over to YouTube, J-Done Trades. It's where the main live stream is going to be from now on. And TikTok's good for reaching audience, but YouTube is the GOAT. So if you're looking for free live streams, YouTube's the place to be. We're on Free Friday inside our Team Bull Discord. Appreciate y'all going to YouTube and subscribing. J-Done Trades, and if you're on the YouTube Live, I'm glad we can catch 2 winning trades today. Good stuff. Appreciate y'all hitting that subscribe button, hitting that follow button. This is not a coin, this is NASDAQ. Let's see what we can get. Let's see what we can get, everybody. Tick, 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 tick. If y'all are on the YouTube too, so a reminder, check out all my recent videos. I've put a ton of valuable education out for you guys. Tons. Tons of valuable education out there. Thank you for the subscribe, Hot Mustard. Appreciate y'all subscribing more than you know. Your homework tonight is to watch one of my videos. If nothing else, go watch my orb video. I promise you my orb video will change your trading forever. after you watch it. I promise you, it's the only orb video you'll ever need. It's right on this channel, J Dunn Trades. Ooh, this is starting to look like a good short setup if this candle confirms. Looking like a decent short setup if this candle confirms. I'm not on my phone right now, Helly Freak. I'll text you back as soon as I get done trading and streaming, bro. I got you. So a reminder, guys, choose discipline over dopamine. Seen a lot of you guys rocking with Tradeify and Apex lately too. Appreciate you guys using code JDUN. It's proven to increase discipline over dopamine by 99%. Yep, Tradeify and Apex are my two most suggested. Shane, that's funny, bro. I was a member of Simba Stocks too back in the day, back in 2018. I was a few years into my trading journey. I had no social media at the time, though. Yeah, Brett was one of the OGs, bro. Thank you, Jonathan. I answer as many questions as I can, but the point of this is you get to see me trade live in real time and learn from me in real time. I also have a ton of free education on my YouTube. I've been doing this for 9 years. Pretty good at what I do. And you guys can come watch me. If you're like, oh, I don't know if this guy actually makes money, or not, I'm a little concerned. Well, then just come watch me trade live. I think that'll be a pretty good indicator of how we do. Sometimes I'll share my trade debate. Just a lot of pressure. It takes away from the point of my trading. All right, Team Bull. I think I'm going to call it a morning. It's been just over 2 hours of trading. Caught 2 winners. Oh my gosh, look at Tesla. What's happening with Tesla? They get news? You got some relative weakness on Tesla. Tesla must have some news. We're getting a pretty aggressive sell-off. Got some relative weakness there. See the market holding up decent, but then if you look at Tesla, we're aggressively selling. The orb worked out in Tesla too, as you can see. If you look at the chart. About to go hit a crazy back day at the gym too, baby. Crazy back day. You ready for that, Gene?
Yes, sir.
Ready to get our wings engaged?
By GD.
Gotta go look like GD, get some wings.
We gotta do that one workout like under your armpit. You know how big muscle he has?
Yeah. The lat. He has big lats. That's what gives them the wings. That's what gives him the wings. That's what gives him the wings, baby. Let's go! Hey, YouTube, I've appreciated y'all being here. You know, we got the signed Kobe jersey up in here. My boy was homies with him. RIP a legend. And it's been great trading with y'all on YouTube. As a reminder, TikTok. The main live stream is moving to YouTube slowly. So make sure y'all tap in, hit that subscribe on YouTube. We will have full screen share starting next week. We're going to go live at least a few days a week on YouTube. Probably Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Because Thursday and Friday, or Friday is free Friday inside Team Bull. So you guys got to be inside the free Discord. But love helping y'all learn. So again, the best place to be is in the Discord. There's no lag. You get the full community. You get all of our premium benefits, but it's nice to give you guys some love here, share some free value, even though there is a bit of lag. Still great value here. So appreciate y'all being here. Make sure if you guys are trading with prop firms, Apex or Tradeify, use code JDUN. It symbolizes discipline over dopamine. I'm always going to do my best to help you guys pass your challenges. And we're in this together, baby. So I appreciate you guys using code JDUN, code JDUN on all your challenges. It means the world to me. I'll keep doing my best to help you guys pass. Tomorrow, if you guys get this live to 500 likes, we'll try it again tomorrow. Give you guys 5 of you a free account for Apex. Maybe even we'll double it to 10. We'll see what Apex will do for us. So tap in. Appreciate y'all being here. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Maybe during Power Hour too. Maybe. That's your sign TikTok. After this live, everyone, make sure you guys go to the YouTube. If something ever happens to the TikTok, or if you want full screen share eventually for the lives, head over to YouTube. It's JDUN Trades. It's on the screen. It's right here. I'll just put arrows. I'll put a bunch of arrows to it. Subscribe to the YouTube. All right, Team Bull, I'm out of here for the day. That's probably the sign that this market's about to break the structure and rip up. So I'm sure any minute now, big move will come now that I'm going to the gym. But trade smart, trade safe, everyone. Thank you for being a part of Team Bull. Love helping y'all learn, level up, and win. And remember, discipline over dopamine every single day. I'll see you guys potentially for Power Hour, for sure tomorrow morning. Appreciate you, Helly Freak. Attaboy, Azot, that's what's up, bro. I'll see you guys later, all right, Team Bull? All right, God bless y'all. Peace. Adios, everyone. Thank you for being here. Choose discipline over dopamine. Say that to yourself 5 times, and then go win. All right, TikTok and YouTube. As a reminder, thank y'all for being here on YouTube. We're going to start this multiple days a week. As a reminder, hit that subscribe button. Go check out my other free videos. I have a ton of value on this channel, one of the most valuable channels across YouTube. And I don't know anyone else who's giving y'all clear bangers like that. So tap in, and I'll see y'all potentially for Power Hour. TikTok, same deal. Go subscribe on YouTube right now. Little less lag, full screen share coming, lots of free education. JDUN Trades on YouTube. Go right now. There's a lot of y'all here. Tap in. I'll see you guys on the YouTube later. God bless y'all. Have a great rest of your day. Peace, everyone. See ya. All right, guys. Adios. Adios, YouTube. I'm out of here. God bless y'all. Peace.